As all of us know, we are fighting a global pandemic with COVID-19. So what we're doing today here at the Fairgrounds is we're doing a limited test run of COVID-19 diagnostic testing. San Juan Basin Public Health was able to bring in 100 tests to do a really limited test run for our most high-risk populations so that we could get an initial snapshot of where we are in this community with COVID-19 so we could best direct our efforts to slow the spread of infection. You'll see that there's lots of folks out there set up to do a drive-through. With COVID-19, we don't have the testing and we don't have the ability at this time to stop the spread. So the next step is to slow the spread. So the way that public health contains disease is we run diagnostic testing and then we put in measures like quarantine, isolation, and further monitoring so we can contain or stop the spread of an infection. We have to have diagnostic testing so we can direct our public health measures that contain disease. That slowing the spread is how we protect our health care from getting overwhelmed with rates of infection. And again, this will give us the first snapshot of where we are with infection rates in the Durango area and Plata County.